Okay, so this video is going to be going over list or UI layout order, layout order for UI objects. So basically I have a simple settings frame here. Could obviously spend a little more time on it, but this is just an example. So right here I have the frame, and I have these two other frames that have two different settings. So let's say you wanted to have this one be on the bottom. Now you could change the name so it sorts differently alphabetically, but that's like really messy and you don't want to do that. So what you do is you change the layout order, and basically how I forgot to mention, this is for list layouts. So list or grid layouts, it will sort them the way you want. So I just want my layout order to be more than, I just want it to be in the correct order. So you can see it was at 0, so this quality frame was at the top. But if I set it to 1, that is now at the bottom because, well, this isn't, normally you'd have like this be 2 instead of 1 because, yeah, that's just how you do it. Wait. Yeah, it seems a little buggy, but in most cases this will work just fine for whatever you need. If you have, like, for example, I was setting the position manually instead of just doing this, and I don't know how I didn't figure this out before, but it's really helpful. So that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.